Countries with oil, gas, diamonds, they should be rich. So why are some of them broken?
Oh, Bats. You still believe money behaves nicely? Let me introduce you to my favorite joke in economics.
Explain.
Gladly. The resource curse means this. Countries with abundant natural resources often grow slower, develop worse, and face more instability.
That sounds illogical.
Exactly. That's why economists call it a paradox. Now pay attention, Bats. This is where things really go wrong. Suppose a country discovers oil. Oil exports bring in huge amounts of foreign currency. Dollars flood into the economy. This causes the local currency to appreciate.
A stronger currency should be good.
Only if you don't export. When the currency becomes stronger, exports become more expensive for foreigners. Imports become cheaper for locals. So export-oriented industries, textiles, manufacturing, electronics lose competitiveness.
Export volumes fall.
Exactly. Exports fall, factories shut, jobs disappear. One booming resource sector kills the entire tradable sector.
But government revenue increases from oil.
And that's the second trap. When governments earn money from oil, they don't need to tax citizens. They don't need public accountability. They don't feel pressure to reform. No taxes means no questions. And that's how institutions rot.
Commodity prices fluctuate.
Now you're thinking like an economist. High oil prices, reckless spending. Low oil prices, deficits, debt, inflation. Governments spend like kings during booms and panic like amateurs during busts. Tragic comedy.
And political instability.
Oh, Bats. Resources don't just fund schools. They fund militias, civil wars, coups, power grabs. When controlling oil equals controlling the state, people stop building economies and start fighting for control.
Examples.
Plenty. Venezuela, oil, collapse. Nigeria, oil, inequality. DR Congo, minerals, conflict. But here comes the twist. Same resources, very different outcomes. Norway, Canada, Australia.
What did they do differently?
They built institutions. They saved resource income. They diversified exports. They prevented currency overappreciation. If a country lets its currency rise unchecked and ignores exports, it manufactures its own decline.
So resources don't determine destiny.
Nope. Institutions do.
Natural wealth without governance
Creates chaos.
Natural resources are not a blessing by default.
They're a test.
Fail it.
And the joke's on the country.